Hello, my beautiful lovelies. It's Erica from PageantPrep, and today we're going to talk about the 5 worst words to describe yourself in a pageant interview. And make sure you listen to the explanation why. The 5 words are outgoing, friendly, passionate, smart, and funny. Now, these aren't bad because they're all wonderful qualities, certainly, and you might have these wonderful attributes and that's great. But they're bad because you should show those qualities rather than tell the judges about those qualities in your interview. All these adjectives that I just mentioned should be self-evident, so they should show without you having to say it. So instead, you want to use adjectives that the judges might not be able to learn about you from simply their interaction with you in the interview room, and you want to support those adjectives with examples. Hope this is helpful, ladies. Follow and like us for more tips.